Hey guys, Cindy here, and today we're going to explore something that's been on my mind lately: bird flu symptoms. Now, this is really interesting because most cases of bird flu actually start with mild symptoms. You might notice things like a bit of eye redness, a mild fever, or maybe a cough. It's kind of like having a regular flu, you know? But here's the thing: bird flu can also cause some other symptoms that you might not expect. We're talking about stuff like a sore throat, runny nose, muscle aches, headaches, and that feeling of just being really, really tired. It's sort of like your body is telling you, hey, something's not quite right here. And remember, these symptoms can affect anyone, regardless of their background or ethnicity. Now, let's talk about the more serious stuff. In some cases, bird flu can lead to moderate or severe symptoms. We're talking about high fever, shortness of breath, and even altered consciousness. And here's the kicker: in really serious cases, there can be complications like pneumonia, respiratory failure, or even inflammation of the brain. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, especially if you've been around birds or in an area with known bird flu cases, it's super important to contact a healthcare provider right away. Remember, early detection and treatment can make a huge difference, so don't hesitate to seek help if you're concerned.